Ladies, do you want to know the secret to turning heads everywhere you go? If yes, then let's dive into the video. 1. Wear your confidence like it's your favorite accessory. With every step, let your style speak volumes about your strength and resilience. Now, how can you effortlessly embody confidence through your outfits? So ladies, first up, let's talk about the maxi dress with a thigh-high slit. It's the perfect blend of elegance and allure, showing just the right amount of skin while maintaining sophistication. It is best suited for a confident and stylish woman who isn't afraid to make a statement. Go for solid colors like deep plum or navy blue to make a bold statement, and don't forget to add subtle jewelry to complement the dress. These colors also have a timeless quality that ensures you'll stand out without appearing overly flashy. Note, ladies, this type of dress is perfect for special occasions where a touch of glamour and allure is appropriate, such as evening events, cocktail parties, or formal dinners. Overall, this outfit is perfect for the confident woman who wants to make a memorable entrance at special occasions where elegance and allure are the order of the day. Now let's not forget about bold outerwear. A brightly colored coat or a tailored blazer with unique detailing can instantly elevate your look and exude confidence. So whether you're heading to a meeting or a social gathering, let your outerwear steal the show while keeping the rest of your outfit chic and understated. And last but not least, the power suit. There's nothing quite like a well-tailored suit. It can make you feel like you can conquer the world. Pair it with a crisp white blouse for a look that screams authority and confidence. Ladies, opt for a houndstooth suit if you are the type of woman who appreciates classic elegance with a touch of sophistication. This timeless pattern is versatile and can be adapted to various styles and preferences. This look often appeals to women who have a refined taste and a penchant for vintage-inspired fashion. On the other hand, an emerald green monochrome suit is perfect for a confident and stylish woman who isn't afraid to make a statement. This type of suit exudes elegance, sophistication, and a bold sense of style, making it ideal for someone who wants to stand out from the crowd with poise and grace. The woman who wears an emerald green monochrome suit is likely self-assured, fashion-forward, and not afraid to embrace color in her wardrobe choices. She appreciates the power of fashion to express her personality and make a lasting impression. So, whether she's attending a formal event, a business meeting, or a social gathering, the woman who wears an emerald green monochrome suit commands attention and exudes confidence wherever she goes. She knows how to make a statement with her style while maintaining an air of sophistication and refinement. Here's tip 2, ladies. When life throws you a curveball, dress like you're ready to hit it out of the park. Let your outfit be a symbol of your unwavering determination and resilience. So ladies, to let your outfits be a symbol of your unwavering determination and resilience, you can choose clothing that reflects strength, confidence, and perseverance. This approach can be particularly empowering for women who have overcome challenges, faced adversity, or are striving to achieve their goals in various aspects of life. Let me share a wonderful example with you. Incorporating bold colors into your wardrobe is a delightful way to symbolize courage and resilience. Vibrant hues like red, royal blue, or deep purple can make a striking statement and reflect the strength that resides within you. Royal blue blouse paired with white skinny jeans and nude heels. This outfit is for the modern and sophisticated woman who loves effortless elegance. This outfit is perfect for a brunch date or a casual day out shopping with friends. Next, we have royal blue floral print midi dress paired with strappy sandals and a floppy hat. This is for the feminine and romantic lady who loves to make a statement. This outfit is perfect for outdoor events like garden parties or bridal showers. This red sweater dress paired with knee-high boots is perfect for the effortlessly chic woman who values both style and comfort. The cozy knit fabric and knee-high boots add warmth and practicality, while the vibrant red color adds a touch of elegance. It's suitable for a casual day of shopping or a coffee date with friends. Another outfit idea is a red peplum top paired with a pencil skirt. It is ideal for the polished professional who wants to make a stylish statement in the workplace. The structured silhouette and bold color exude confidence and sophistication, ensuring she commands attention and respect in any professional setting. Next, we have deep purple silk blouse with white skinny jeans. Ladies, this outfit idea is perfect for brunch with friends or a day of shopping in the city. Remember this, ladies. Your style is a reflection of your journey, your triumphs, and your dreams. Dress with intention, knowing that every outfit tells a story. Ladies, fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you wear it. Own your style with pride and let it be a celebration of your individuality. Here are some ideas on how to apply this. First, you need to find your signature look. Discover what makes you feel most confident and comfortable, and make it your signature. Whether it's a specific silhouette, pattern, or accessory, having a signature element in your style can create a sense of consistency and identity. Own it with pride and make it a central part of your wardrobe. Here are two great women's outfit ideas that showcase a signature look. One is the Urban Edge signature look. The Urban Edge signature style is typically favored by confident, independent women who have a bold and contemporary approach to fashion. And two, we have the signature look of free-spirited charm. This is tailored for a woman who embraces a carefree and whimsical approach to life. She exudes an aura of adventure and creativity, valuing experiences over possessions and embracing individuality in all aspects of her life. This type of woman is often drawn to bohemian-inspired fashion, favoring flowing fabrics, intricate details, and eclectic accessories that reflect her unique personality. She radiates warmth and positivity, inspiring those around her to embrace their authenticity and live life with passion and purpose. So, whether she's exploring nature, creating art, or simply enjoying the company of loved ones, she does so with grace, confidence, and an unwavering sense of free-spirited charm. So, ladies, I will conclude with this. Your wardrobe is a canvas, and you are the artist. Note, ladies, creating a great wardrobe as an elegant woman involves curating a collection of timeless pieces that reflect your personal style, exude sophistication, and make you feel confident and empowered. So, create a capsule wardrobe comprised of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of elegant outfits. Focus on quality over quantity and select pieces that seamlessly complement each other in terms of color, style, and functionality. Note: a well-curated capsule wardrobe streamlines your dressing process and ensures you always have chic and elegant options at your fingertips. Remember, style knows no age limits. It's a canvas waiting for your unique brushstrokes, no matter where you are in life. So, ladies, dare yourselves to step into the world of fashion fearlessly. Embrace those bold colors, those daring prints, and those statement pieces. Let your style be a reflection of your vibrant spirit and the beautiful journey you're on. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to spread the love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Together, let's continue to celebrate the beauty of style, no matter our age or stage in life. Thank you.